guys, we're done driving for the night. It's 11:30 and we're not unloading until 8:30. And let's make dinner. I'm hungry, so check this out. We got a steak in here. What is this? This is a Dreo chef maker. Now, what's so special about it? It can make a freaking steak in there. I can make chicken, I can make everything. You definitely check out my latest videos in my shorts. I did already 2 videos. Now we're making a 20-ounce prime bone-in ribeye, so stay tuned for this. Let's get my TV on, chill back. We got 41 minutes until this is done. It's probably gonna be like 50 because I gotta broil it and crust this up. Guys, trust me, it's gonna be perfect. So let's play some Xbox in the meantime. Alright, so this is done, but we're gonna broil this and make this crispier. Look at that crust. Guys, you need to get this Dreo Chef Maker. It is perfect for traveling, even truckers. Like, I don't even eat trucker food. Can't even get better than that.